Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in today's 10-minute yoga wheel sequence. This will be a super beginner friendly sequence, so if you're ready, let's jump right into it. And if you don't feel comfortable with the wheel alone, I highly recommend that you place a blanket over it and you'll be just fine. Start in a seated position with your legs crossed or however you feel comfortable. Place your thumbs in the wheel, roll your shoulders back, lifting your chest up. Settle into your wheel and take a deep inhale, relax, exhale. Plant your feet into the ground with your thumbs in the wheel and lift your hips off. Start gently moving back and forth. As the wheel is directly behind your back, take a breath in, and as you exhale, lean backwards, extending your spine over the top of the wheel. Extend your legs if that feels good. You can release your hands or continue to hold the wheel. Gently bend the knees and move back and forth for a massage for a while. Come back to a seated position. Both feet face each other. Slowly lift your hips up and move back and forth. Come back and ground your feet. This time, roll back without holding the wheel. Bring your hands in front of your chest. Keep rolling. Feel the stiffness in your back going away. Now we're gonna take it one step further. reach back with your arms. Plant your hands, your fingers are facing the direction of your feet. Press your elbows towards each other. We are kind of doing a wheel pose here. Take a rest, roll down. Roll back up into the wheel pose with your hands on the ground. Place your left ankle above your right knee for some hip stretch. Let's do the same on the other side. Place your right ankle above your left knee. Place both feet on the ground and gently roll back and forth. Alright guys, now we are gonna roll into another wheel pose variation. As you lift your hips up, extend your legs as much as you can. Your thumbs are in the wheel and plant your elbows into the ground and stay in this wheel pose. Roll back down. Take a moment to rest. Stay in a seated position for a few seconds. Let's roll back into a wheel. This time bend your knees, plant your feet, and plant your hands into the ground. Now walk a few steps forward with your feet, extending your legs, and stay in the same position. Just roll back and forth. Extend your legs and then bend your knees. Take a seated position with your wheel behind you. Place your left ankle above your right knee. Your thumbs are in your wheel. With your ankle over your knee, roll back 6 times. Roll back and forth. Draw your shoulders back, expanding your chest. Repeat the same, placing your right ankle over your left knee. Roll gently back, draw your shoulders back, expand your chest. Take a seat, placing your hands in your heart center or however you feel comfortable. Stay here however long you need. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!